Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here today. And if this is your first time to my channel, I need you to click that subscribe button so you can actually get notified every time that I do upload a new video, okay? And I want to welcome you to Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and I want to welcome you to my channel. This channel is all about building your online business using funnels, marketing. It's also about business and life. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button right now so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, we are talking about YouTube, how to use YouTube to build your MLM. Okay, so first of all, I love YouTube, and I simply love YouTube because, number one, it's free, and number two, I just love doing videos, and I've been doing videos for a while now, and using video marketing really helps you to build your know, like, and trust factor with your audience. Okay, so YouTube is a search engine, guys. Okay, YouTube is number 2, I believe, right now, the number 2 search engine, and Google is the number 1 search engine. So if you didn't know, Google actually owns YouTube. So therefore, Google and YouTube is basically one and one. Because have you ever noticed, if you did a Google search for something, have you noticed a video also is available for that same search, or for that search that is, congruent with what you typed in? So it's great for you to actually do videos as well, so you'll be able to be found inside of the search for YouTube and Google. I also love using YouTube as well, guys, because you can use it to actually promote anything. Okay, you can use it to promote your business, you can use it to promote your company, you can use it to promote your affiliate marketing. If you are an affiliate of anything, you can use it to promote your products. You can use it to promote your services if you're a coach and you're trying to get clients, okay? And it also will help you to promote your products or services for you to actually generate leads online. Now, people are not just using YouTube just to do videos, guys. People are using YouTube as a search engine. In addition to Google, people are going on YouTube and searching for things, okay? So if you're using YouTube for your MLM, guys, people are searching for things inside of your MLM company. For instance, people are searching your MLM's company products, okay? People are also searching your company's comp plan. They're searching, believe it or not, for the ingredients that are in your product company, in the products of your company. So say you have a weight loss product, okay, and it's a shake or maybe a tea, right? Just for instance, I'm just throwing stuff out there. Say you have some type of weight loss tea. People are actually going on YouTube to actually find out what those ingredients are in the tea. They're going on there to find out, what the benefits are of that tea, if they should use it. They're going on YouTube to find out what exactly is the tea, okay, or what is exactly the shake. So people are actually typing in search terms looking for your product or for your service, okay? People are typing this in. So how do you actually use YouTube to build your MLM? You actually need to start making relevant videos for your company or for your product or service. Okay, you need to start making relevant videos, just like I mentioned before, how to lose X, Y, and Z with X, Y, and Z T. Okay, or what are the benefits of X, Y, and Z T? People are typing these in. So you, as the network marketer, you need to start making videos with these search terms inside of the title, just like you found this video here, right? You wanted to know how to build your MLM using YouTube. So you simply went on YouTube or Google and you typed in the search and you typed in these keywords inside of the search. And that's exactly what people are doing online. And that's how you're going to be able to build your MLM business using YouTube. It's as simple as that. Now, once you master this, guys, you'll be able to, generate leads on autopilot just by using your video. So if you master this part, put your keywords in the if you use keywords to make relevant videos, as opposed to just making videos about anything, right? About nothing. You don't want to just make a video to be making a video. That's not the point of using YouTube, guys, especially if you're trying to build your business online. You can't just make a video about anything and everything. There's a strategy to this. You have to be strategic. There's a strategy to doing YouTube videos. So that's how you can actually use the YouTube to build your MLM. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, if this video was helpful for you, make sure you leave me a comment in the comments. Make sure you give this a like. Make sure you also share this video out. And last but not least, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you're able to be notified when I do upload the next video. Okay, guys, so with that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.